Hello, my name is Parikshit and I am a student at SAR MVIT. I enrolled in the Control Systems Engineering internship course offered by Decibels Lab. The first 2 weeks basically focused on the Scilab software. It was very well thought with a good number of examples, and it made sure that we not only watch the video but we also get our hands-on practice. Interesting projects such as vehicle resistive forces modeling and water level control was taught. I feel that apart from these two, one more small project could have been added. And coming to the third and fourth week, it laid a solid foundation in the control system subject. And I understood concepts such as Laplace transforms as to how they are useful in laying out control systems design. Um, and I understood the concept of flight modeling of a drone, and I understood the theory behind drones, and everything was organized and very well thought. I feel that the course was a good mixture of necessary theory and a good amount of practice. It helped me lay a solid foundation in the control system subject. Thank you.